Well, hi, this is Custom Works. I'm Clint Allen, and today we're going to be talking about the O-rings that are on the banjo bolt, on the oil rail, and on your fuel intake to the head. And what we're specifically talking about today is you have a high temperature exhaust sitting right here. You've got an even higher temperature exhaust right here coming up from your exhaust manifolds, causing all this heat in this area right here. If you ever had the opportunity or have been made aware of this issue about leaking banjo bolts, leaking oil rail plug, or leaking from the fuel intake into the head, well, we've got the answer here. Whether you've done a lot of work to your truck or not, this right here, even beyond a blown cylinder, which is bad, will be your worst nightmare trying to get these bolts, trying to get these plugs out of here when the cab is on. Oh, there's some wrench throwing, I'm here to tell you. Save yourself the headache, all right? Make yourself a real rudimentary heat shield. Doesn't have to be anything more specific than this, just a basic piece of tin, just a clamp, and get that installed right in that area right there. Now you'll have to position this, of course, the end of the clamp into an area where you're comfortable getting in and turning tight, but you get the gist of it. Basically, make yourself a heat shield right here. Keep yourself from overheating these O-rings that are on these three specific items that I have mentioned. And it's going to save you a lot of headaches. Anybody who owns a 7.3 can tell you that it never starts leaking up in front, never starts leaking over here. It always starts leaking right here. And the reason is that the O-rings, even with the age of these trucks, 20, 30 years old, those O-rings and the way these are installed here, very rarely do they ever actually give out, even at this age of the truck. But they will right here because you're constantly cooking them. Every day when you drive the vehicle, you're always cooking them. So go ahead, make yourself a nice heat shield and eliminate another problem with your 7.3 POWERSTROKE. I hope you've learned something today, and you take it easy and you have a good day.